does strategy, program, project, data source, coordinated data source, vehicle feed data, work standard data, that's what we got. That's what HDM4 is. Now, let's see what it means. What it means. First, HDM4, I think you have እንደዚህ ይመጣላችኋል። when you open it በዛ ነው የሚመጣው። እንደዚህ ይመጣላችሁ። ሲመጣላችሁ when it comes in this picture, you just go to HDM4 workspace. Here, go to, because you are going to open a new project. You are going to work on a new project. Now, we start with the strategy, and then we go to program analysis, and then to project analysis. So let's see. Go to HDM4 workspace. Okay. This is what you get. Road network, vehicle fleet, work standard. When you are analyzing as a project, as a program, as a strategy. Yeah? When you perform it, you perform as a project, as a program, as a strategy. When doing the analysis. But the data has to be in first. Road network data, vehicle fleet data, work standard has to be in. Before you do that, first, I think አንዳችሁም አላዛችሁም ኮምፒውተራችሁን ማዝ ነበረባችሁ። You have to come with your computers tomorrow. እዚህ configuration, you go to configuration. First, configuration, currencies የሚላል. There is a place for currencies. So you click that. Can you see it? I think in your case, Ethiopian birr is not there, or whatever, Somali shilling or whatever. You have to put it here. In whatever currency you are doing your analysis. So Ethiopian birr, ETB. You have to put it here. You understand? Currency, you have to introduce a new currency. If you are using US dollars or pound sterling or franc, you can still do with them. But in our case, we can use Ethiopian birr or Somali shilling or whatever, a new currency. But you have to introduce it here. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. First, you come and change the currency. Okay? So, road network, vehicle fleet, work standard. When you say work standard, you can see maintenance standard, improvement standard. Not a default $sign. If there is any problem, you can come here and still introduce Ethiopian birr or Somali shillings, whatever you introduce here. This is the analytical part. Analyze as a project, analyze as a program, analyze as a project or program or strategy. These are configurations. Let's see what they mean. Configurations, traffic flow pattern, commuter means from home to work. Usually we do it every day. That's commuting. You go from home to work every day. That's commuter. Free flow, the road could be free flow. Interurban, between urban, the movement is between urban. Seasonal means during a certain season of the year, especially after harvesting of crops, the traffic could be different. Winter season, traffic could be low. Summer season could be high. So seasonal means it's depending on the season. If you are performing on that, you can use seasonal. but in our case, most of the time we use HDM for interurban roads between urban centers, from the center to urban centers. So that's what traffic flow is. Let's see what commuter means. Click, you put it, and open. That's what you see. So it has divided into, I think, 5 hours per year. First part, 87.6, I think, hours. You know, it's according to the volume of traffic on the street. It could be very low during the morning time, and then high, sometimes low. So it has divided the year into 5 parts. The first is 87.6 hours, a certain volume of traffic. The second, 350 hours. 87,060 means 365 times 24. A day has 24 hours. A year has 8,760 hours. This is the total hours per year, Malan. And now it is divided into 5. This is the default. You can divide it according to your requirement. But in this case, it is 5. The default is 5. So this period has got the highest number of hours where traffic is similar volume during these hours of the year, which means like 50% of that. About 50% of that. Hourly volume. Highway capacity manual. They have got figures. I think they have taken it from there. 82. 82. I think if you divide it by 1, it's multiplied in general. 3, 14, 30, 86, 81. 8, 13, 19, 20, 5, 10, 12, 20, 5, 600% nominal. Percentage of ADT nominal. The first season, 3% of the ADT, the volume, they move during the first period. During the second period, 11%. Then 16%. Why is this one higher than the other one? HP 56.6% now. This is 12.81% now. And now I saw this one divided over this one. Cent percent unit. 87.6 divided by 8760 cent percent unit. Ska kaflu 87.6 by 8760 cent percent unit. I think in the literature will give you a better picture. Then percentage, these are percentages. If you add them together, it will become 100%. Percent of ADT. Centimeter is 7.6 of 8760. 1%, madam? I think calculation formula ليت يعلمون على البلد. يعطون 3.05 now, and the highest should be this one, if you go by calculation. But I don't know how they have calculated it. You can go and examine it. But this is how it is calculated. Let's see the next one, for example. Free flow corner, 100% Ramaka. The whole hours, traffic is the same. There is no traffic, ups and downs of traffic. It is similar for all hours of the year. Hourly volume, 0.049. A traffic if you see interurban, I think they have divided into the same hours, but the volume, the ADT, is different. Now the highest has become during period 5. It was period, I think period 4 before, now period 5. So this is the volume of traffic. This is seasonal. Period of the year. First period, second period, third period, fourth period, 5 period. A formula, you can find it in the volume. If you are interested, how they have calculated it. The speed flow types. ለምሳሌ 4 lane ከሆነ let's take 2 lane standard. Usually እሱን ነው የምጠቀመው. This is what you get. Ultimate capacity, that is passenger car equivalent, per lane per hour. Free flow capacity 0.1% ይላል. Normal capacity 0.9. Speed 25. አሁን እዚህ ጋር you have to come here if you want to calculate accident cost. You have to come here and calculate the total accident per 100 million vehicle kilometer. Fatal is 13%, that's days. 26% is injury, 32% is damage only. ስንት ይሆናል ሲደመር? ስንት ይሆናል? It should be 100. 100 ነው መሆን ያለበት። ስንት? 80 ስለዚህ መሆን ያለበትማ 100% ነው መሆን ያለበት። 100 ሚሊዮን ቬሂክል ኪሎሜትር ላይ ቶታል አክሲደንቱን ተወስዱና 13% ፋታል ነው፣ 26% ኢንጁሪ ነው፣ 32% ዳሜጅ ነው። ስለዚህ ከቶታል አክሲደንቱ እንደዛ ነው ቅድም ሲሰራ የነበረው ሬድ ሞዴል ላይ 100% ይመጣል in the case of red model. ስለዚህ እንደዛ ነው የሚሰራው. So you go and you calculate, as I told you, the total vehicle kilometer coverage, the total accident calculate ታደርጋላችሁ. Then accident per 100 million vehicle kilometer you estimate, and then you come here with the percentages. ምንድን ነው ይሄ? ፋታል ነው፣ percentage አይደለም። I'm sorry. ይሄ ፋታል አይደለም፣ ይሄ number of accidents ነው። 13 people have died ማለት ነው actually 13% አይደለም። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ injury 26% have been injured and 32 properties have been damaged ማለት ነው in actuality ነው, not percentage. HDM4 and red model ላይ percentage ነው, we did in percentages, but here in actual numbers. So you come here, enter the data, and you can perform accident analysis. Here this is technical, you can go in and look into it. I have not looked into it, I'm sorry. But this is what it means. Okay, you can go 4 lane road, for example. 4 lane ከሆነ capacity 2000 PCE per lane per hour, 0.4%. Free flow capacity, number of capacity, jam speed, all this. If you want to put accident, ziga, you put here and put the numbers here. Number of accidents. Fatal, injury, property damage. You put the data here. ለምሳሌ intermediate ከሆነ your passenger car capacity እንግዲህ I think you are civil engineers, you do better than I do. 0.7 normal capacity 20 jam capacity accident እዚህ ጋር እንመጣና number of accidents we put it here two lane wide that's good. You can introduce a new one in your case. If you are analyzing a particular road project, you can have your own figures here. You can introduce, no problem. Climate. So we have arid, tropical, humid tropical, northern region, semi-arid, subhumid, subtropical, tropical. So it has different kind. Let's go each one of them. For example, usually in our case on highlands we say arid tropical. Open. So what do you mean arid tropical? Name arid tropical. Moisture classification arid. Moisture index -80. Duration of dry season 0.9. Mean monthly depreciation. Mean precipitation. No precipitation senden rain, snow, snow. Everything is included. Precipitation senden. It includes everything. Snow, rain, some other thing. All this 15 millimeter. Mean monthly precipitation. Footage on you. Look at the footage. It tells you. It says mean monthly precipitation. For example, if you go here, Thorn, too technical no, nane. Thorn Swattle moisture index. Nominal. If you come here, duration of the dry season as a fraction of the year. ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚለው 0.9 ማለት 90% ማለት ነው 90% of the time moisture index -0.8 ነው ማለት ነው monthly precipitation 15 ይላል 15 ከሆነ mean monthly precipitation 15 ይላል duration of the season as a fraction of the year 90%. Tropical, mean temperature, average temperature during the year, 27 degrees centigrade. Range between the maximum and the minimum, 15 degrees centigrade. Temperature, percent of time greater than 32 degrees centigrade. I think number of days nominal. 32 degrees centigrade, over 32 degrees centigrade, 90 days of the year, the temperature is greater than 32 degrees centigrade. I think in Somalia it should be higher. Most of the year it is hot. Freezing index, snow covered, water covered. This is percentage of driving done on water covered roads. 20% of the time you drive on water malatun. So these are the default values. You can have your own figures. You can introduce your own figures. You can say, you can come here, say new climate, okay? So what it means. You can give it a name. You can introduce any type. If you say open it, it could be semi-arid, it could be subtropical, it could be humid, it could be pre-humid. Moisture you can change. You can change every number and introduce it as a new. Currency. This one is another one, which is very important. Section aggregate data. This is very important. Section aggregate data. What does that mean? Traffic volume. They are put it into low, medium, high. When it is low, when it's medium, when it's high. So what does it mean? Detail, edit, related tables. So what do you mean by that? When it is low, a bituminous road, low corner, 750 ADT per day. Medium 3,000, high corner 7,500. This is for surface class ADT bituminous one. When it is unsealed, it goes down to 500. When it is concrete, it goes up by 3,000, 7,500. This is a default value. We can have our own numbers. We can conduct, traffic surveys, and could have different numbers. It will be different in our case, for sure. So 500, this is unsealed, a gravel road or earth road. This is a concrete, this is bituminous. That's what it is. Okay? Next one, road class. The road class, primary, secondary, tertiary. What does that mean? Open it and see. Primary is good. This is a roughness, roughness. International Roughness Index. For bituminous, under good condition, fair condition, poor condition, bad condition. It's 80 when it is rough. Tertiary, that's the lowest standard road. 4 is good, 6 is fair, 8 is poor, bad is 10. It's unsealed, a rough road, no? Unsealed. Primary corner, good corner, it's 4, fair is 6, poor is 8, bad is 10. If it is tertiary, 8 is good, 12 is fair, 16 poor, 20 bad. The default value, no? These are the values you can get in the model, but you can change it. You can change to our condition. Now, that's what it is. If you go to geometry, straight and level, mostly straight and gently undulating, bendy and generally level, bendy, gently undulating. What do they mean? Open it and see. So when it is straight and level, rise and fall is 1. Number of rise and falls is 1. Horizontal curvature is 3. Super elevation is 2. And speed limit is 110 kilometers per hour. Default value, default value. If it is mostly straight and gently undulating, rise and fall is 10. Number of rise and falls 2. Horizontal curvature is 15. Super elevation is 2.5. And the speed limit is 100. So it has given for each one of them this data: rise and fall, number of rise and falls, horizontal curvature, super elevation. Now, the last one, speed limit. Construction quality. Quality. It could be good, fair, brittle, fair, soft, poor, brittle, poor, soft. So when you are doing the analysis, these things will come, and you have to choose one of them, which will fit to your condition. So what does that mean? Good construction defect indicator for bituminous surfacing, construction defect indicator for road base, and relative compaction. Machine equipment and compaction, labor intensive corner, it will come down. These numbers will come down. If you are using machine, relative compaction will be higher. Maximum is 97%. So good corner, 97% now. If it is fair, brittle, 0.75. Construction defect liability indicator. Construction defect indicator for road base, 0.8. This is 91% compaction. Fair, soft, construction 1.25 now. 0.8 again, 91 compaction now. And so go down. If you go to soft, poor soft, Voila, you have to pick one of them when you are doing the analysis. 1.5, 1.5, 0.85 is compaction. When you go to structural adequacy, poor, fair, good. What does it mean? Again, pavement strength, bituminous SNP, poor, fair, good, structural adequacy, modulus of rupture MPA, percentage of steel, percentage of steel, CRCP, types of improvement type. So medium high, poor, fair, good, bituminous SNP, JPCP, pavement type 1 minagran. You can choose one of them. Bituminous layers, bituminous layers, SNP less than 3, SNP between 3 and 4, SNP between 4 and 5, SNP 5. C1, surface thickness, old, base thickness, all these are engineering. Ride quality, it could be good, it could be fair, it could be poor, it could be bad. What does that mean? Each one of them. A roughness, and the same thing. I think the first one was roughness, this is also roughness. Good, fair, poor, bad. The bituminous, unsealed, asphalt, concrete. So, if it is a primary road, if it's a secondary road, if it's a tertiary road. No, all these values, roughness, the same thing again. Okay. Surface condition. Cracking, raveling, number of potholes, edge break, mean rut depth. I think you are familiar with these ones as engineers. Cracking in percentage, raveling in percentage, number of potholes, potholes in number, edge break in meters squared per kilometer, mean rut depth in millimeter, transverse cracking in percentage, joints spalling faulting, transverse cracking, joint spalling, faulting, it goes on. Low, medium, high. The last one, surface texture. Good, fair, slippery. What does it mean? Texture depth, skid resistance. This is for ST pavements, surface treatment. M pavements, texture depth, skid resistance. So we have two types. Surface treatment, skid. I think in your concrete sound I can this one. So these are the details you can find in the model. It's a very big model. You have done so many things on it. This is also the same, almost similar. This one. Also the same. Pavement strength, bituminous layers, surface distress, surface texture, ADT, geometry, construction quality, roughness, ADT. What do you mean by ADT? Or when it is low, when it's medium, when it's high. Especially when you are doing a strategy analysis, this is what we are using. It will come and it will ask you to select, but still you can change the number. No aggregate now. Now we come tomorrow and then you put the data in. We'll take ለምሳሌ ሁለት መንገዶች for strategy analysis እና አንድ ግራፎች strategy በመጀመሪያ we start with strategy analysis. ምንድነው የሚደረገው? you take ለምሳሌ roads in bad condition and in fair condition. If they are in good condition, we have no problem with the road. So we leave it as it is. Usually improve roads which are in bad and poor condition. So we take certain lengths of roads in the country, the whole country. Let's gravel roads. We take gravel road, poor condition. Then you can take poor condition and fair condition. Now we will see, let's say 1,200 kilometers. The whole country, the whole network was done. 1,500 kilometers. Gravel road. Is that fair kilometer more? No, done. Fair condition. Under fair condition, all the roads in the country under fair condition, irrespective of their locations. All the poor conditions in the country, the whole network, you take like 2,100, it could be more. Let's say this is 800. You take all paved roads in the country with fair condition. We say they are 800. So we test these two and see which one is more viable for improvement. We test NPV, we test RR, and see which one is the better one. Then after that, we pick one of them. It is 800, a better one, and we treat them under the program evaluation and the program analysis. We pick one of them. Not higher ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄ ግን ኢትዮጵያ has got 48,000 kilometers, 148,000 kilometers of road, under good condition 1,200, fair condition 800. It's just an example. You can take this too. So tomorrow we'll come and put data or the required data to analyze. So we see which one is the better one, whether it's this one or that one. Then we'll go to the program analysis, we take whichever is more feasible, only one of them. And then we divide it by section, in that case. And how much money we have, we'll see. Is the budget we have, how many of them can be improved? We'll see tomorrow. And analyze and see. So we come early in the morning, we start this one, we do the program, and then the project analysis. Tomorrow. Around 5 o'clock on them. ይሄን የምትፈልጉ ቤቱ በሙሉ ጠላ ብቻ ሆናለ እኔ ጀመርኩትን ነው የምጠጣው